Okay, so friends, our masala is ready for the crab curry. And so now let's get on to the recipe right away. Okay, so friends, I've kept a pan for heating and we'll wait till the pan is nice and hot. Now, pan is nice and hot. I'll add 2 tablespoons oil. So now I will lower heat on medium. First of all, I'm gonna add the curry leaves in here. And fry curry leaves on medium heat for a few seconds. In a minute, I'm gonna add all these ingredients here. Now we are frying all these ingredients on medium heat, and now we'll wait till the mustard seeds crackle. So it's gonna take a while. Now mustard seeds have started to crackle. I'm gonna add onion and chili. So I'm gonna fry the onion and the other ingredients for at least 5 minutes on medium heat. I want my onion to be nice and golden brown. The onion has turned slightly golden brown. I will add tomato and fry tomato until soft. Take 3 minutes. Okay, so tomato is nice and soft. I will add the masala. Give this a good mix and let this fry for at least 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Now in 3 to 4 minutes, I'm gonna add the coconut milk and then rinse water, half cup. And then I have half water from the mixer jar. At this point, I will cover and let it cook for at least 5 to 6 minutes. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna sprinkle lemon. Give this a good mix. Okay, so now it's time for us to add the crabs. So now I will cover and cook for 3 minutes. Okay, in 3 minutes, wow, there's a good aroma in this room here, and our crabs have been cooked. And at this point, I'm gonna add the brown sugar and just give it a good stir. I love the Indian crabs, you know. It's really yummy. It's really delicious, mouth-watering curry. And now I will add the cilantro. That's fresh coriander. And then give this a good mix. That's it. Now we will cover again and cook for another 3 minutes on a low medium heat. Okay, so friends, oh my god, there's a rich aroma in this room here. So now I will just check on the salt. Really yummy. Suggest adding little salt because I've added 1 teaspoon while I was grinding the paste. You can adjust with the salt and the vinegar as well. So now I would switch off the heat and we're done for the day. Okay, so crab meat is really tasty. I'll check on it. Wow, lovely. And I would say there's a unique taste in this crab curry. And I've made this recipe on request. I would like you guys to go ahead and please do try this recipe And please don't forget to like, share and thanks for watching.